Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of c square divided by c is equals to 9, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we solve this problem. So in the first method, we move the term c to the right hand side and we get square root of c square is equals to 9c. And now here we just remove the square root sign from left hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring, this will be written as square root of c square and its whole square is equals to 9c and its whole square. Now you see that this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here c square is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values and we get 9 square into c square. And further we have this is c square is equals to, this is 9 square becomes 81, and this is our c square. And now further we move the term c square to the right hand side and we get 81 c square minus c square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we need to subtract both of these two values, and we will take common c square from here. And when we take common c square, we get the remaining values are 81 minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further we have this is c square into 81 minus 1 becomes here 80, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the value of c. So for this we remove 80 from left hand side, so that we divide both of the sides by 80. So when we divide by 80, we obtain 0 divided by 80, and this term is divided by 80. So you see that this 80 and this 80 are cancelled out by each other, and we get c square is equals to, this is 0 divided by 80 becomes here 0. And now for the values of c, we just remove the square sign, and for this we apply square on both of the sides. So when we apply square, so these 2 and square root are gone, and we get here c is equals to 0. So this is the only one root of the given equation which we get here from this method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c square square root divided by c is equals to 9. And now we verify the value of c. For this we put this value into the left hand side and we get 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 9. So this implies that 0 square becomes 0, and the square root of 0 is also becomes 0, and you see that our left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 9. So the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that it is indeterminate form, or we could just say that it is undefined. So if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value c is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And finally we just say that here we cannot get any other value of c which is satisfied our given question statement, so we call that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So in the second method we copy down given question statement here, and we have square root of c square divided by c is equals to 9. So here our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here you see that this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here c divided by c is equals to 9. And now here After cancellation, you see that this C and this C are also cancelled out by each other, and we get here the remaining values are 0 is equals to 9. So 0 is equals to 9 means that this is not a possible case. It is if this is not possible, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that here in the second method the value of C does not exist, or in other words we say that the solution of this problem does not exist. So finally we just again say that this question has no solution, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.